Hello everybody, this is Sarfaraz Khan from the IELTS PAL Online and hope everybody is doing pretty well. Today, grammar that I have brought for you is the difference between the present perfect tense and the simple past tense, okay? So I would not take too much of your time. So let's get started and come to the point right now, okay? So when we are talking about, it's quite simple, and I am not going to go in the detailed part of the present perfect tense and the simple past tense, okay? So listen it carefully and try to grab the first vast or the first gigantic differences. And the first gigantic difference and the very clear and the obvious difference is that when we are talking about the long-term past means the action that happened long ago, okay? According to that situation, the action that happened long ago. So for that situations, we are going to be using the simple past tense. And the action or the past action that happened some times ago, a moment ago, or close to the present. So for that action, we are going to use present perfect tense. Example, the last thing that I had eaten in my lunch, so it was my lunch, okay? So I have taken chicken in my lunch, but yesterday I had fish. Had as a second form or the past form of the verb, okay? Take one more example here. Last month, I bought a very expensive mobile. And today, I just have opened the box of that mobile. Okay? One more. When we are going to talk about the studies. Okay, so last week we practiced past perfect tense. Last week we practiced past form of verbs. Last week we practiced past perfect tense. And right now I have just come to know about present perfect tense. The action is, this is my present and this is my present perfect. The action is quite closer. But when I'm talking about the long-term past, my action, I'm still at the present, but my action will move afar a bit. This is what the difference between simple past, present perfect. Simple past, present perfect. And that's all. And present perfect is obviously the helping verbs that are used, have, has, and the participle form of the verb that is, in other words, known as the third form of verbs. Okay? So I've given you the descriptions below this video, so you can find out more in details about the present perfect tense and the difference in the present perfect and past, simple past. Okay? So see you in my next video with some vocabularies.